Hello students, welcome back to our science class. I hope you all are well at home. Students, we are learning about the types of soil from chapter 5 soil. Today we will do page 32. Summary. What is written here? Soil can be classified by its color, size of particles and the substances it contains. Underline this line. It is important. So, how soil be classified? Soil can be classified by its color, size of particles and the substances it contains. And from our previous class, we have already learned that the three main types of soil are clay soil, sandy soil and loamy soil. Today we will read some more information about those three types of soil. First one is clay soil. Clay soil is often reddish in color. It is sticky when wet but smooth when dry. Students, underline this portion, reddish in color. It is important information about clay soil. Then underline sticky when wet. So when you make the clay soil wet, it becomes sticky. But when it is dry, it is smooth. Clay soil has the smallest particles among the three soils. It is also important information, students. Underline this. So you see, among three types of soil, sandy soil, loamy soil and clay soil has the smallest particles. Now about sandy soil. The color of sandy soil is often pale brown or light grey. Here is picture. Can you see? Often pale brown or light grey. Here in the picture we can see that it is light grey. The size of the particles of sandy soil is larger than clay soil as well as loamy soil. Students, if in your book after well there is no as, add it. So this information is also important, student, that the size of the particles are larger than clay soil and loamy soil. It is dry and feels gritty. Gritty means very small pieces of stone or sand, and that is sandy. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is dark in color. Students, here is picture in your book of loamy soil. What is its color? Dark. It feels coarse, soft and dry. That is, when you feel it, you can see that it is soft and it is dry. Loamy soil contains various sizes of particles. So in loamy soil you may find small particles or big particles, that all the particles are of various sizes. Loamy soil is composed of a mixture of sand, clay and humus. Loamy soil is the composed of a mixture of sand, clay and humus. What is humus? Humus is the remaining parts of animals and plants. That is, it is also written in your book, decayed remains of plants and animals from humus. Decayed means ক্ষয় প্রাপ্ত. Underline the last line of loamy soil. So loamy soil is the best quality soil among these three. I hope you have understood. Now students, from our previous class I showed you three types of soil from sample A, sample B and sample C. Today we will find out which type of soil are those. Let's do it. Students, what was our findings? We have written it in this table, page 31. Sample A, reddish. You see, it is reddish in color. Then how it feels? Smooth. You see, it feels smooth. I showed you. Then size of the particles, small. Yes, the particles inside it are very small. Any other property, we got that sticky when it is wet. So I showed you when I make it wet, it becomes sticky. Now sample B. What was our finding? Light grey in color. Students, our sample B, color C, light grey. Then how it feels? Sandy. You see, it is sandy. Size of the particles larger than sample A. See students, the particles are larger than sample A. Any other property? We will discuss it later on. Now sample C. How is it colored? Jar. So, how it feels? It feels soft and coarse. Size of the particles mixed up. Big particles and also small particles, medium size particles. So, sometimes you may find rock inside it, rock or stone. Okay students, so today we will match. We can easily say that clay soil is reddish in color. So sample A is clay soil and its particles are small. So sample A is clay soil. And sample B, yes, sandy soil. And sample C, loamy soil. So students, I hope you have understood. Today up to this, very soon I will come back to you. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.